yeah, that looks cool. That's some good views. Next up is probably going to be I'm heading to Inks Lake State Park. It's a little bit north of San Antonio. I don't know, it should be good. A little bit of moto camping. I want to say this place is closer to Austin than it is San Antonio. Marble Falls, that's what I'm really looking forward to on this ride. Some good scenic routes. Damn, good thing I put my liner in this jacket. It is freezing. Well, we're going to put that Diamond Park sleeping bag to the test. It's supposed to be good down to 30 degrees. And right now, it's probably only like low 50s. I'm not used to the cold. Plus, on a bike, it makes it seem a lot colder than it really is. Chill. Such a rush the whole way up here. I feel like people have been riding my ass. Thank God this little stretch has another lane that I can let somebody pass. So according to Google Maps, I'm about 40 minutes away. Not too bad. I used to use Waze all the time when I lived in San Diego, but I noticed, because everything's under construction out here, like the freeways are not built, it's kind of annoying to be honest, but that app Waze does not work, well for me at least. It tells me, all the time it tells me, oh go down this road, and when I go down it, it's like a dead end, or it just doesn't work. It has the names of the streets wrong. It's pretty annoying. I have to use Google Maps now. I wish Google Maps calculated the traffic, kind of like how Waze does. It supposedly does, Google Maps, but I don't know. There was a ton of traffic on my way up here. I think that's where most of the time was spent. Damn, I'm gonna layer it up as soon as I get there. I'm gonna throw on my normal under jacket. It's pretty thin, and then throw my puffy on top. Luckily, it gets dark pretty early still, so around 5:30, I think it gets dark. I'll go ahead and make the fire. Okay, there should be some spectacular views right here. Marble Falls coming up. disappears. This town kind of reminds me of the town Julian in San Diego, but much bigger. Julian's literally like one street. I brought lighter fluid this time, so I didn't record it last time, but I was having a whole lot of trouble with the fire. I want to build a fire pit in my backyard just so I can practice. I'm not good at making a fire. I use those Walmart fire starter cubes and they fucking suck. I just got charcoal lighter, some lighter fluid. should be all right. Yeah, that looks cool. That's some good views. Oh yeah, this is like a full-on little lake town. When my bike is loaded to the brim like this, it still does handle pretty good, but you got to be careful going around the corners. It's like a semi-truck. I have this thing probably over the suggested limit by Harley. Oh man, what is that? Fucking thing, dude. Fucking cat. On a car, it's probably not that big a deal, but on a bike, that would ruin my day if I hit that thing. I don't know, honestly, with the amount of weight that I have on here, if I would be able to... Oh shit. Stop came out of nowhere. If I would be able to maintain it. Oh yeah, that is fucking awesome. Look at that. Inns Lake State Park. It's like Friday the 13th out here.